Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I don't usually buy much from Louis Vuitton, and each time I go in and bought something, which I think this is the second time, is with a specific product in mind that I have researched about and wanting to get because it's a functional and practical piece. So let's review. It's not a very sort of exciting limited edition item, but it is exciting for me because I've been contemplating about getting this particular item for a while now. Yes, it is the OG key holder in the traditional monogram canvas, and I am just so excited to have this in my collection as my key holder is falling apart. It's made in France and it's 6 rings as opposed to the 4 because I do have lots of keys and I have a key fob as well to carry, and so a 6-ring key holder works better for me, and so excited to start using this because my current key holder, it's a one of those, I've shown it before in my what's in my bag, so I'll link the video if you're interested. That has served me for quite a few years, but I think it's time for an upgrade, and also because that key holder is really starting to fall apart, so I need a new one, and I've chosen a very traditional style. I think this type of style has been around for decades. Now, one thing I've learned as I am putting my keys and car key into the rings is that it's actually quite difficult. You really need to push in the into the individual holder, which I think is kind of what you want because you don't want the keys to be able to come out very easily and not secured. But what I did find eventually is that removing the whole metal bar out of the holder makes it a whole lot easier for you to actually just, push the keys into the individual rings. Because it just allows your hands to grab onto the metal part, which is very small and fiddly if you've got it still on hanging off the bar of the holder. So that's just a little tip that I came to realize. Perhaps is something that is very logical and well known for everyone, but it took me quite a few goes before I realized, that's probably what I needed to do initially when I need to put many keys into it. And the good thing is you can rearrange the keys in any particular order, and that just makes it a whole lot easier to do, because sometimes the keys look quite similar, so having it in a particular order then makes it easier for you to get the right key, and then after that you just push the whole bar back in. Now the other thing is, I'm not sure if I do this whether it would actually fit nicely. I think what I need to do, which I think some people leave it hanging out, which I don't like, but you know what, I think if I put the key maybe in a different order, it would actually help me able to close the case. So here I am just pushing down the ends of the metal bar so that I can slide it out, and then look, it's easy peasy rearranging. You just need to swing out the individual key ring and then put it back in after you've rearranged it into the order that you want, and then slide the bar back into the holder. And as I suspected, if I put the car key, the bulky part, into the middle keyring hole, then it actually can you can actually close the holder as a result of that rearrangement. And now this looks a lot more neater than having the car key sort of hanging out. So yeah, I love this. I have actually been looking at other designer brands to see whether there's a similar case, but really I think Louis Vuitton is still one of the sort of luxury house that still make this type of product. And I think most have moved to like a pouch version, which for me is still a bit fiddly for me. And I like organization and order. And so yeah, I think this is what I prefer. And I think what I'll do is I'll see if I can remove this easily, because when you do need to sort of, remove the key for car service, I think it's doable, easy enough with practice. So this is it for me today. I hope you find this video helpful. Now I understand why my parents used to say that the key holder is the most functional leather piece to buy.